Okay, we have what is called the difference quotient. Difference quotient. And it is written by f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And you will see maybe later in your life this is a very important equation, but for now we just want to take a given function, in this case 7x squared plus 2x plus 10, and we want to use the difference quotient to plug this stuff in. So everywhere you see an x, you're going to plug in an x plus h, and then you're going to plug in an x. So what does that mean? I'm going to put some square brackets. So where I see an x, I'm going to plug in x plus h. Don't forget that squared. Plus 2 times x plus h plus 10 minus, now I'm on this piece, everywhere you see an x, plug in an x. Well, that's just the same thing. 2x plus 10, and then all of this is over h. So instead of writing the big long line, it's all over h. So from here, we just start simplifying the algebra. So remember, x plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. So I'm foiling it, which would be x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 2. So this would be plus 2x plus 2h plus 10. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative sign. So that is going to be minus 7x squared minus 2x minus 10, and all of that is over h. All right, I can combine some like terms here. So I have 7x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. I'm going to I'll go ahead and write just everything again. Plus 2x plus 2h plus 10 minus 7x squared minus 2x minus 10. So I didn't make any changes there. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 7. And so this is going to give me some screen room here. This is going to be 7x squared plus 14xh plus 7h squared, and now just bringing everything down, plus 2x plus 2h plus 10 minus 7x squared minus 2x minus 10, all of that over h. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Everything that does not contain an h should cancel. Everything that does not contain an h should cancel. If you find you have something that doesn't cancel, like 2x, then you probably made a mistake in your algebra. So I can see 7x squared minus 7x squared cancels. I can see plus 2x and minus 2x cancels. I can see 10 and minus 10 cancels. And that's kind of nice to know that, because everything that does not contain an h will cancel. So now I have 14xh plus 7h squared, so I'm just bringing these down, plus 2h, and then all of this is over h. And this is the reason that I say everything with an h will cancel. On the top, I can actually factor out an h, 7h squared, so only one's coming out, and then 2 all over h. Because what will happen when you factor out the h, you will be able to cancel it, and then that will be your final answer, 14x plus 7h plus 2.